Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Mario Gingerbread Kit is probably one of the most delightful and festive ways to bring a touch of Super Mario magic into your holiday season, offering a unique blend of creative construction and delicious edible art that's perfect for families and fans alike. Number 5. LEGO Creator Expert Gingerbread House 10267. Gather the family and build fun memories with this delightful brick gingerbread house. It's a festive holiday centerpiece that kids of all ages will love. Build a gingerbread house with frosted roofs, colorful candy buttons, and candy cane columns. It features glittery windows and a tall chimney stack with a glowing fire. This set includes sweet gingerbread man, woman, and baby figures. You'll also find candy furniture, a baby carriage, and a holiday tree with decorations and gifts. This is a set that the whole family will love. It's also a fun building challenge for ages 16 and up. It measures over 8 inches high, 10 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. This impressive build will be a wonderful addition to your holiday decor. What we like. If you're looking for a holiday centerpiece that the whole family can enjoy building together, this is a fantastic choice. It offers a fun building challenge for ages 16 plus and includes sweet gingerbread figures and festive decorations. Choose this if you want to create lasting holiday memories and a charming display piece. What people say. The gingerbread pieces are sturdy and well cut, making assembly easier. The included icing and candies are plentiful and good quality. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 4. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert modular building set. It's a bookshop and townhouse combo, brimming with details for builders of all ages. This impressive 3-story model is packed with charming features. Explore the display window, bookshelves, reading nook, and living spaces, all brought to life by 5 minifigures. Part of the ever-growing modular building series, this set combines with others to create amazing street scenes. It's a perfect addition for collectors who love to display their creations. With 2,504 pieces, this is an inspirational gift for anyone aged 16 and up. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Standing over 11 inches tall, this buildable model is a stunning display piece. It looks fantastic on its own or as part of a larger street scene. What we like. For adult collectors and teenagers who appreciate intricate details and displayable models, this set is ideal. Its modular design allows it to connect with other sets in the series, creating a larger street scene. If you enjoy detailed builds and want a piece that looks impressive on its own or as part of a collection, this bookshop is for you. What people say. The gingerbread pieces were perfectly cut and fit together easily, making assembly a breeze. The included candies and icing were plentiful and high quality, allowing for creative decorating. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. Wilton Build-It-Yourself Mini Village Gingerbread Decorating Kit. Gather your loved ones for a delightful afternoon of gingerbread decorating. It's a perfect way to create lasting memories together. This kit comes with everything required to build and decorate 4 charming gingerbread houses. You'll be ready to start creating in no time. Unleash your creativity with 3 types of candy, green fondant, and ready-to-use icing. Decorating bags and tips are also provided for easy application. Once assembled, each gingerbread house stands between 3.25 and 4 inches tall. They're the ideal size for a festive display. Building these houses is a breeze with the included panels and instructions. Enjoy the process of bringing your mini village to life. Please note that this product contains wheat. It is manufactured on equipment that also processes egg, milk, soy, and tree nuts. What we like. If you want a fun, quick, and easy decorating activity for a group or family, this mini village kit is perfect. It comes with everything needed to assemble and decorate 4 houses, making it ideal for a festive afternoon. Choose this if you're looking for a straightforward and enjoyable holiday craft without the need for extensive baking or preparation. What people say. The gingerbread pieces were pre-baked and perfectly shaped, making assembly a breeze. The included icing and candies were plentiful and high quality, allowing for creative decorating. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 2. LEGO Icons Haunted House Building Set 10273. Step into the chilling world of Manor von Baron, a detailed collector's piece designed for adult fans. This is a dark and spooky haunted horror house, perfect for those who love a good scare. Discover a thrilling free-fall ride, haunted doors that creak open, and a cursed painting. You'll also find artifacts from around the globe, collected by the villain himself. With hinged sides, it opens up to reveal creepy and intriguing decor. The light bricks illuminate the spooky scenes instantly, with batteries already included for your convenience. Enhance your experience by motorizing the model. Control the elevator via the app using separate powered-up components for an even more interactive build. This set features 3,231 pieces and 10 minifigures, including one in a wheelchair. It offers hours of relaxation and results in an eye-catching display model. Looking for a unique gift? This haunted house set is ideal for birthdays or Halloween, especially for those who enjoy ghost hunting and thrill-seeking adventures. This is part of a series of inspiring building sets for adults. It's designed for fans and hobbyists who appreciate elegant design and creative building. What we like. If you're a fan of spooky themes and interactive building experiences, this haunted house is a must-have. It offers a thrilling build with features like a free-fall ride and light bricks, and can even be motorized for app control. This is the perfect choice for adult fans seeking a unique, detailed, and engaging display model with a touch of horror. What people say. The gingerbread pieces are pre-baked and ready to assemble, saving time and effort. The kit includes all the necessary candies and icing for decorating, making it a complete package. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 1. Oreo and Sour Patch Kids Holiday Cookie House Decorating Kits. Get ready for a festive and fun holiday activity. This kit brings together the iconic taste of Oreo and the tangy twist of Sour Patch Kids for a unique decorating experience. With 2 exciting kits in one pack, you can build and decorate not just one, but 2 delicious holiday cookie houses. It's the perfect way to share the joy with family and friends. Inside, you'll find everything you need to create your masterpiece. Pre-baked cookie pieces, delicious icing, and an assortment of candies are ready for you to assemble and decorate. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or a beginner, these kits are designed for everyone to enjoy. It's a wonderful way to make lasting holiday memories together. Bring the magic of the holidays to life with this delightful cookie house decorating set. It's the perfect centerpiece for your holiday gatherings and a treat that tastes as good as it looks. What we like. If you're looking for a fun and unique holiday decorating kit that appeals to a variety of tastes, this 2-pack is a great option. It combines the classic appeal of cookie houses with the popular flavors of Oreo and Sour Patch Kids. This is ideal for families or individuals who enjoy a sweet and tangy twist on traditional holiday treats. What people say. The gingerbread pieces are pre-baked and ready to assemble, saving time and effort. The kit includes all the necessary candies and icing for decorating, making it a complete package. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.